Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, October 21st, 2011. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 15 ES ticks. This video is for educational purpose only. Is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed by our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 12:25.50. We were in what we consider a high probability go with trade today. And what we try to do on these is initially there's usually a push to the upside right off the open. We look for a deeper pullback throughout the morning and try to get into this trade. Usually it's around the lunchtime dead zone where you get your deepest pullback, and then you want to ride that up to the 2:30 or 3:30 time frame towards the end of the day for a full swing go with style trade. But even with that overall concept, we still have our normal trading plan signal entries, and that's what we're going to detail on this video. So you can see we had this high gap up open. The market kind of just traded sideways, hit our gold line moving average, kind of bounced up a little bit off of that in the early morning. Now there was a little dip down underneath it here, created two signals. The first one, we came down with some speed to the downside, put in just a real small micro short, ended up with 5 ticks to the downside. Came back to the moving average, set up a nice swing entry, targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks to the upside. Pushed higher and put in the high for the morning session right around 35.75. Now it was kind of interesting what happened after it came off this high. We had this little push under the moving average and crossed back up. We did not get a signal to the short side. It didn't validate our rule set. However, we did get a signal to the long side, and unfortunately for us, this long ended up getting stopped out for a T0 minus 14. As soon as we were out of that stop out, we actually had a signal that went short right at the 10:45 confirmation time, pulled up to the moving average. That one gave us a real nice full swing entry, targets 1, targets 2, 10 ticks, and then the market pretty much sold off into the lunchtime dead zone. A little bit of sideways action there. Ultimately, we did put in some lows. You can see at the end of the dead zone, and it was still trending lower even after our 1:15 starting time. So after 1:15, we start looking for trades again, and we put in our low of the day right around 2 o'clock, and then there was a nice quick move to the upside, providing an extension entry, hit targets 1 and targets 2 up at that 4:30 time frame, put in a temporary high, pulled back into our moving average, and then started pushing higher again later in the day. And ultimately, you can see at that 3:30 time frame, we were trading around that 12:30 spot after putting in a low around 2 o'clock, which was around 12:22. So about a 9-point move, and it ultimately pushed up higher up to about 34.75 for the end of the day. So made a good 10-point run to the upside. We had the momentum on our side today, looking at our internals. And all in all, you know, it's options expiration day. You expect a lot of volatility. We pushed high in the morning session, pulled back through lunchtime, and pushed high to the end of the day. So it was a day of multiple swings and multiple opportunities. 5 trades, 15 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.